Breaking free from the lifestyle loop. After watching this video, not only will you know how to break free from the lifestyle loop, but you'll also learn how to ensure that you don't get sucked back into the lifestyle loop. Hi, my name is Rip, and hopefully you're getting some value from my videos. If so, before getting into the video, make sure that you subscribe. It sure would help me out. And hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. And hopefully, that would help you out. In my Trapped in the Lifestyle Loop video, I quickly explained how we get trapped in a lifestyle loop and why it's so hard to break free. Once you start to understand, you'll realize that it's really not your fault. I've decided to start trying to make up some names for things that are not addressed or properly acknowledged by traditional financial entities. I made up the lifestyle loop name because that is exactly what it is, something that most people are struggling in. This past week I was in New York City. I happened to find myself in front of a Wall Street Journal. Just scanning the front page was horrifying to me, and I already knew about the millions of Americans that were more than 90 days past due on their car payments. I read a part of one of the articles that was reporting about how fast that number was rising. On top of that, another article was reporting even scarier statistics about mortgages. And then there was another article about foreclosures, and then one about interest rates and Wall Street, and well, you get the picture. It's not pretty. But what can we do about it? Well, one option is to just ignore it and go along like nothing is wrong. That option reminds me of when I was learning to sail. It was easiest for me to just go along wherever the wind was blowing me. I didn't know any better, and I was just super happy to be flying along in the water until I realized where I was, not anywhere near where I needed to be. Upon that realization, I went into full panic mode. Another option is to decide to take control before you find yourself somewhere that you don't want to be. If you were driving down the road, making great time, and then you realized that you were going in the wrong direction, how long would it take you to correct your course? What if what you thought to be true about money turned out not to be true? How soon would you want to know? Would it disturb you if you found out that you've been lied to, misled, and misguided about your finances? Albert Einstein said that we cannot solve our problems with the same level of thinking that created them, which means that to solve a problem, you need to approach it with a new perspective, not the same mindset that caused the issue in the first place. So I want to suggest that rather than continuing on with the same level of thinking that you've been using to control your finances, how about trying a completely new one? Back to my parable about learning how to sail, how about instead of trying to control the wind, which pushed me somewhere that I didn't want to be, and would be like trying to control the financial landscape of our country, how about if we just simply learn how to adjust our sails? Let's try a new tack with our money. Let's stop focusing on eliminating debt as fast as we can, and let's try to accumulate some money. Money that you could learn how to leverage. Money that could help you break free from your lifestyle loop. Money that could be an emergency fund. Money that can help you start feeling better about your financial situation. What's the new tack? Right now, I want you to commit to an amount. I don't care how much. Just that you have committed to an amount that you'll put into a shoebox, a piggy bank, savings account, not into your checking account, but somewhere special that every time you sit down to pay your bills, the very first thing that you will do is put this amount into your special place. And I want you to take a few moments and acknowledge how much you have accumulated there. And then just try to enjoy the feeling that you are accumulating your money. I'm going to call that feeling a money high. So instead of chasing that shopping high, I hope that I can get you chasing a money high that will break you free from the lifestyle loop. Hope this helps. Thanks for stopping by.